New Google Stitch update is insane. Today, I'm going to show you the most insane Google Stitch update ever. This changes everything for anyone building apps or websites. You can now export your entire design with one click. No more copy paste, no more dragging files around. This is the update everyone's been begging for. And it just got released. Listen, Google just dropped something massive, and I mean massive. If you've ever used Google Stitch to design websites or apps, you know the pain. You build this beautiful design, then you have to copy everything, paste it, drag files, move stuff around. It was annoying. It took forever. Well, that's done. Over, gone. Google just released one-click export to AI Studio. And this is not just some small update. This is a complete game changer for anyone who builds digital products. Let me break down why this matters so much. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. First, let me tell you what Google Stitch is. It's an AI design tool. You type what you want, or you upload an image, and it builds you a full UI design. Like magic, the AI creates buttons, forms, pages, everything. It looks professional, it looks clean, and it saves you hours of work. But here's where it got frustrating. You finish your design in Stitch, now you want to build the actual app or website, so you had to manually copy the HTML code, then paste it somewhere else, then drag your screen images, then organize everything. It was messy, it broke your flow, it wasted time. That's why this update is so big. Now you just click one button, your entire design exports to AI Studio, all the HTML, all the screens, all the context, everything, just one click. And here's the crazy part. This update came out right when Google released Gemini 3 in AI Studio. Gemini 3 is their most powerful AI model yet. So now you have the best design tool connected to the best AI development tool. It's like they planned this perfectly. Let me tell you why this matters for you. If you're building apps, this cuts your workflow in half, maybe more. You design in Stitch, export with one click, then let Gemini 3 in AI Studio turn it into a working product. Fast, clean, professional. Before this update, people were complaining everywhere on Twitter, on Reddit, in forums. Everyone said the same thing. We love Stitch, but moving our designs to development is painful. Google listened, and they delivered exactly what people wanted. This was literally the most requested feature, and now it's here. So what does one-click export actually do? Let me break it down simple. When you finish designing in Google Stitch, you see a new export button, you click it, that's it. AI Studio opens automatically. Your full design loads up. All your HTML code is there. All your screen designs are there. Everything is organized and ready to go. No copying, no pasting, no dragging files around, no organizing folders. Just one click and you're ready to build. Now, before I go further, I want to tell you about something that can help you even more. My AI Profit Boardroom. And this is where I teach people how to scale their business using AI automation. We cover tools like Google Stitch. We show you how to save hundreds of hours with AI. We give you strategies that actually work. You can find the link in the description. If you want to get serious about using AI in your business, check it out. All right, back to Google Stitch. Now here's where it gets even better. AI Studio now has Gemini 3 built in. Gemini 3 is Google's smartest AI yet. It understands context better than any previous model. It can write code, it can debug problems, it can improve your designs, and it does all this faster than before. So imagine this workflow. You're in Google Stitch, you describe your app idea, the AI builds you a beautiful design in minutes. You hit export, AI Studio opens with everything ready. Then you tell Gemini 3 what features you want. It writes the code, it connects the backend, it makes everything work. You just went from idea to working product in maybe an hour, maybe less. That used to take days or weeks. This is what I call the perfect storm. Two powerful tools that work together perfectly, released at the exact same time. It's not a coincidence. Google built this integration on purpose. And let me tell you something about timing. Right now, AI tools are exploding. Everyone wants to build apps. Everyone wants to create digital products. But most people get stuck at the technical parts. They have great ideas, but they can't code. Or they can code, but design takes too long. This update solves both problems. Stitch handles the design, Gemini 3 handles the development, you just need the ideas. Now let me show you how to actually use this. It's stupid simple. Step 1, go to Google Stitch, type what you want to build, or upload a reference image. The AI generates your design, you can edit it, change colors, move things around, make it perfect. Step 2, look for the new export button. It's right there in the interface. Click it, just one click. Step 3, watch what happens. AI Studio opens in a new tab. Your entire project loads automatically. All your code is there. All your designs are there. Everything is organized perfectly. Step 4, start building. Tell Gemini 3 what features you need. It writes the code for you. It explains what it's doing. It makes suggestions to improve your app. That's it, 4 steps. And most of the work is done by AI. Let me give you some real examples of how people are using this. Web designers are building client websites faster than ever. They design in Stitch, export to AI Studio, then use Gemini 3 to add all the interactive features. What used to take a week now takes a day. App developers are prototyping ideas in hours instead of days. They test concepts quickly. They show clients working demos. They iterate faster. Startup founders are building MVPs without hiring developers. They have an idea. They design it in Stitch. They export it. Then they use Gemini 3 to make it functional. They can test their product with real users before spending thousands on development. This is powerful stuff, and it's available right now. But here's what makes this even more valuable. The integration isn't just about speed, it's about quality too. When you manually copy code and move files around, you make mistakes. Things break, code doesn't format right, files end up in wrong folders. With one-click export, everything stays organized. The context is preserved. AI Studio understands exactly what you built in Stitch. So Gemini 3 can make better suggestions, it can write better code, it can create better features. You're not just working faster, you're working smarter. Now I want to talk about something important. This update shows where AI tools are heading. They're becoming ecosystems. One tool connects to another. Data flows smoothly between them. You don't have to be a technical expert. You just need to understand what you want to build. Google is building this ecosystem on purpose. Stitch for design, AI Studio for development, Gemini 3 for intelligence. They all work together and they're all getting better every month. Think about what this means for the future. In a year, these tools will be even more powerful. In 2 years, building apps might be as easy as writing an email. The technology is moving that fast. And here's the thing. Most people are sleeping on this. They haven't realized how powerful these tools have become. They're still doing things the old way. Manual design, manual coding, hours and hours of work. But the smart people are jumping on this now. They're learning these tools. They're building products faster. They're testing ideas quicker. They're getting ahead of everyone else. Let me talk about who benefits most from this update. If you're a freelancer, this is huge. You can take on more clients. You can deliver projects faster. You can charge the same rates, but spend less time on each project. That means more income with less work. If you're an agency owner, this changes your operations. Your team can produce more. You can deliver faster. You can reduce your costs. Every project becomes more profitable. If you're a solopreneur building your own products, this levels the playing field. You don't need a big team anymore. You don't need to hire expensive developers. You can build professional products by yourself. Even if you're just learning, this makes everything easier. The barrier to entry just dropped. You can start building real projects immediately. You can learn by doing instead of spending months studying. Let me address something real quick. Some people might say, but Julian, AI can't replace real developers. And you know what? They're partly right. For complex enterprise software, you still need experienced developers. For cutting-edge features, you need human expertise. But here's the truth. Most products aren't that complex. Most apps are pretty straightforward. Most websites follow common patterns. And for those projects, AI tools like this are more than enough. Plus, even experienced developers are using these tools. They're not replacing developers. They're making developers faster and more productive. A good developer using these tools can do the work of 3 developers using old methods. So everyone wins. Beginners can build real things. Experts can work faster. The technology helps everyone. Now, let me talk about the technical side for a second. The reason this integration works so well is because of how Google built it. When you export from Stitch, it sends structured data to AI Studio, not just code, not just images, but context about what everything means. So Gemini 3 understands your navigation is a navigation, your form is a form, your buttons are buttons. It knows the structure, it knows the purpose. So when you ask it to add features, it makes smart decisions. This is way better than just copying code. The AI has real understanding of your project, and that makes everything that comes next better. Google Stitch with one-click export to AI Studio is available now. You can start using it today, and you should go to Google Stitch, play around with it, build something simple, export it to AI Studio, see how Gemini 3 can help you develop it. Just get your hands dirty. This is one of those moments where the technology takes a big leap forward, and the people who jump on it early get the biggest advantage. So don't wait. Don't think about it for weeks. Just start. Because while you're thinking about it, someone else is already building, they're already learning, they're already getting ahead. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Tell me what you're going to build with this. Tell me if you've tried it already. Ask questions if you're stuck. I want to hear from you. And if you want to go deeper with AI tools and learn how to really scale your business with automation, check out the AI Money Lab. It's completely free. Inside, you'll get over 50 free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to work with AI agents. You'll get over 1,000 free N8N workflows. You'll get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts. You'll get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community where you can ask questions and learn from others. A free AI course that walks you through everything step by step, and proven AI case studies showing exactly what works. The link is in the description. Go check it out. This Google Stitch update is big, really big. It's one of those updates that changes how people work. And if you're serious about building digital products, you need to try this. So go do it right now. Don't wait. Build something, test this integration, see how fast you can go from idea to working product. I think you're going to be amazed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.